Magandang araw ng Lunes sa inyong lahat, April 12, 2021. Nakapagpahinga ba tayo matapos ang long weekend? Sana po ay nasa mabuti tayong kalagayan. Nasa MECQ po ang Metro Manila at karatig lalawigan. Hindi po ibig sabihin ay magre-relax na po tayo. Marami po ang nagkaka-COVID at kailangan sumunod tayo sa mga health protocols ng ating pamahalaan at LGU. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro, bumabati ng isang mapagpalang Lunes. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Ginagawa ko po itong stock market report araw-araw, which I started in August last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. And if you like the content, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe sa aking channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang balita po natin ay tungkol sa Converge at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, April 12, 2021 dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. So, mag-start po tayo sa ating PSEI. Ang ating PSEI ay bumaba. Nag-decline siya ng 26.53 points or that's 0.41% down from the previous close with net foreign selling at 869.25 million. So, slightly down siya by 26 points. And if you'll take a look at the market summary, 120 companies declined, 86 advanced, while 48 remained unchanged. As for the all-share index, it declined 0.26%, while on the sectoral indices, only the financials registered a gain of 0.26%. The rest of the sectors registered a decline led by mining at 1.32%. So we will be reviewing the following. We have news, by the way, on Converge, and I will be sharing the news as we review the stock. So we will be reviewing Ali, SMPH, BDO, SM, NI, Converge, URC, ACEN, PGOLD, and MBT. So let's now go to Ali. Okay, Ali registered a decline, but the support level is holding at 33.85. But the sentiment is bearish since our RSI is now at 34, while our moving averages, the EMA 20, EMA 50, and EMA 100 are above the candlesticks. So the sentiment is bearish. It may remain bearish in the following days unless we see green candlesticks coming in this week. So after Ali, SMPH. Okay, SMPH is moving sideways and support is holding at 34, while the resistance, the nearest, would be here at 37.50, with the RSI at 48.87, which is a sideways number. So if we see the moving averages piercing through the candlesticks, that is an indication of a sideways movement. After SMPH, BDO. Okay, BDO gained 2 pesos and 10 centavos, that's 2.07%. It has been stationary here at 100 to 101, which is the support level. But it is still bearish since the closing price is below our moving averages, the EMA 20, 50, and 100. And then after BDO, SM. Okay, SM had a reverse hammer, but it's a very thin and short candlestick. So hopefully this will be a good sign that, that there may be a reversal in trend. However, the support is still here at 153 to 154 pesos. The stock closed at 972 and the sentiment is bearish. This is confirmed by the RSI at 42.98. NI and Nickel Minerals Resources International Inc. Okay, it had a red candlestick, but it has been moving more on the downwards, downtrend in the past few days. But support is here at 1.71 and the sentiment is also bearish as the RSI is at 40.62 and the closing price is below our three main indicator moving averages. So after nickel, let's take a look at Converge. Converge had a red candlestick today, and it is the third red candlestick, which would indicate a sideways to bearish movement. So more on the sideways movement because it is between the EMA 20 and the EMA 50. In the meantime, the nearest support of Converge is here at 16, while the nearest resistance is here at 19.15. 16 to 17 will be our nearest support. So may I share with you the news on Converge from the Manila Standard. Converge ICT on track to launch commercial services in the Visayas, Mindanao in the second half. Converge ICT Solution, the largest high-speed fixed broadband operator in Luzon, is on track to complete its national fiber backbone in the first half and launch services in the south in the second half, a top executive said over the weekend. We hope to commercially launch our services in the Visayas and Mindanao regions by the second half of the year so that we can reach more provinces in need of world-class fixed broadband services. Converge ICT Solutions founder and chief executive Dennis Anthony Uy, no relation to Dennis Uy of Dito, said in a email interview. Uy, an immigrant from Fujian province, China, who grew up in Angeles City, said Converge ICT, which had more than 2,000 employees, doubled its subscriber base in 2020 to 1.04 million at the end of 2020 as demand for connectivity grew amid the pandemic, which forced many Filipinos to work from home. We are currently adding 70,000 subscribers per month. This continues to accelerate, allowing us to achieve record additions every month, Uy said. During the pandemic, we saw a surge in demand. This pushed us to scale up really fast. With the proper fundamentals in place, we are able to keep up with the need. We continue to strengthen our network and our customer experience capabilities. The next step for us is to push ahead with our Go National strategy, which is well on the way with our subsea fiber optics cables being laid to reach the Visayas and Mindanao. So may I share with you now the commentary of BDO Nomura on this news item on Converge. The continued progress of Converge in attaining its target milestones should support value accretion for the stock. We currently have a buy rating on Converge with a target price of 24.40. So that is our news on Converge and our review on the stock on Converge. After Converge, URC. Okay, URC had a red candlestick which is lower than the previous day's green candlestick, but in general it is still bullish to sideways ang kanyang movement because the closing price is above the 20-day and the 50-day exponential moving average but below the 100-day exponential moving average. In the meantime, the nearest resistance of Converge, let's put it at the EMA 50 at 135.05. Oh, the nearest support is at the EMA 50 at 135.40. While the nearest resistance, nandito siya, nakikita ko siya dito sa 146.80 to 146.90. Okay, ACEN. Okay, ACEN continues to move higher although these are very short candlesticks. So dahan-dahan siyang umaakyat. So the support level I can place it at 7 pesos. That's the EMA 50. While the nearest resistance, malapit na siya dito sa 8 pesos. So 7 yung support and 8 yung resistance level. But it is bullish since our RSI is now at 67, just 3 points short of being oversold. Okay, pure gold. Okay, pure gold. Okay, it's just piercing through the candlesticks, but it's more of a bearish sentiment since the candlestick is below the 3 moving averages. So it's bearish with the nearest support here at 134.40 to 134.50. Yan yung nearest support niya. Also, the RSI is at 44, which is a bearish number. After MBT, after pure gold, that's MBT. Our last stock, naku, it's a red, very short red candlestick, but it's holding at support. Here at 44.35 to 44.40. So, it's bearish to sideways ang kanyang movement. More on the bearish side since the RSI is at 39.75. So eventually, magre-recover tong stock and hopefully this moves up. So yung financials ngayon is not very good since marami silang NPLs, non-performing loans, because of the pandemic. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. April 12, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, reminding you, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. See you again in our next episode. Thank you and bye for now.